Why is this such a, interesting and relevant topic? Well, it's in the title. It's all about saving lives. And we know how precious, just life is, not only from a society aspect, but really the impact of business. We say it all the time that our most valuable asset is really about our people. It's about the lives. So because of that, we do know that the protection of this life is key. But we also know there's a financial risk. So statistically, in 2024, an estimated 39,000 people lost their lives in motor vehicle crashes, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA. Although this represents a 4.3% reduction from the previous year, transportation incidents remain the leading cause of workplace fatalities, accounting for 36% of all on-the-job deaths. But we also know that some of the industries carry more of the transportation burdens than others, and it shows really in this data. In transportation and warehouse segment, 71% of all workplace deaths are transportation related. That number reflects just how much time our drivers really are out on the road and how the high of the risk it is when safety systems really fall short. In the oil and gas segment, transportation industry incidents count for about 27% of all workplace fatalities, more than any other cause. Remote sites, extreme weather, and extended shifts all raise that exposure. And without the visibility into driver behaviors, the risk will only, obviously, as we know, continue to grow. And in construction, the number is 22%. Even in a field known for job site hazards, the vehicle-related incidents remain one of the top threats to worker safety. So clear the statistics, show the importance of addressing the need for these behaviors. For commercial fleets, the financial cost of an accident are immediate and often, understated. From Cambridge University, those stats show that the average cost of a commercial crash involving injuries today is an estimated $304,000. The average cost of a fatal crash is about $5.6 million, which really includes the costs such as medical bills, legal exposure, lost productivity, as we know, and of course, all the other related expenses. It's statistics like these that reinforce what safety leaders already know, and that is prevention is always the best investment. And they underscore something else, which is the critical importance of adopting artificial intelligence powered technologies, or as we call it, AI, to really what helps with preventing these incidents and accidents. So AI has power to prevent incidents and protect lives, but it's only if it performs as promised. That's why accuracy, speed, and transparency are really the table stakes in fleet AI.